Right, welcome to another Honda CB200 video. This one's probably going to be a bit short, but the aim here is to, well, shift all this lot, get the tank off the bike that I've stripped, and then get this down to hopefully the person who knows somebody who might be able to fix it. So I'm going to get all this stuff off the bike, clear it up. Haven't looked at it since it was stripped, so let's hope it hasn't gone all rusty. So let me get this cleared up and we'll have a look. Big reveal. Well, the outside's not looking too bad. So I'll grab the keys, get the seat off, and then so I'll get the keys, get the seat off, get the tank off. Nice. So there we are. So I've stripped as much of the tank off as I could. We've got the patches here from some dentist that must have occurred at some point. So yeah, so needs a bit of blasting on the inside, but the aim is, as you know, is to fix the holes that are here, at least 2, maybe more. So we'll see if someone can do that. And then we'll have the whole thing painted back to its original colour is the aim. Oh, and I've still not been able to get rid of that screw of doom that's in there. So yeah, so I'll get this down and we'll see this again, hopefully with this fixed, before it then goes to be sprayed. Now, the other bit of update news is that I finished restoring the seat. I think this was a video quite a while ago now where I was basically rubbed down the pan, didn't strip it at all, just rubbed it all down, used some of that crust stuff on the pan underneath, and gave it a really good clean up. But I needed to replace the ends of the strap. So I fabricated new straps. Unfortunately, well, I only had mild steel at the time, and of course that rusted fairly quickly. So there's the underside. So I think the cross has done a fairly good job. I need to fix the book cover there, but I think did a fairly good job. And I ended up spraying these black because they were just rusting, so I just sprayed them black. But I think in all, that is looking really quite nice. The old one, as you may recall, have seen, the cover's completely split on there. So, and the ends again are all rusted up. So I might look at getting a replacement cover for this one, and having a go at actually doing a full strip of the whole thing back down to the pan, get that blasted and powder coated, and then show putting a new cover on it. Not done that before. I think that could be an interesting thing. So that's just really a really quick update of where we are right now. So I'm going to get this tank down to Ted, and hopefully he's got a chap who's going to be able to fix it. So I hope you've been enjoying these videos. I hope you're enjoying the series. Do give me a thumbs up on the video if you like it. It really helps a lot. Do consider subscribing to get further updates. And of course, leave your comments below. I do read all of them, and I do reply to those that I can. So yeah, so thanks a lot, and see you next time. Cheers and bye for now.